2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.